Ready to dive into the world of Minecraft without downloading a thing? Today, we're unlocking free Minecraft gaming directly in your Google Chrome browser. First, open Google Chrome and head to a website called Mcognet. That's Mc-net. Type it carefully into the address bar and hit enter. This website hosts a version of Minecraft Classic that runs right in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll see a very nostalgic Minecraft Classic. Click the big start button. You might need to enable Flash or some other compatibility settings in your browser, but the website will prompt you on how to do that. After Minecraft Classic is running in your browser, use the arrow keys to move. You can press space to place blocks or the delete key to remove them. It's a simplified version of the game, but it still gives you the Minecraft feeling. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced, search for free Minecraft online browser games. There are several Minecraft-like games available. Many are simplified clones, but offer creative experiences. Remember to avoid sites that seem suspicious. That's it. You're now playing Minecraft or Minecraft-like games straight from your Chrome browser. Have fun building.